So we're coming to you from Ice Institute 2023, and I wanted to show you this. This is one of the core wheelhouses here, and this one is a toy hauler, multi-season unit, but it's really kind of cool, and we're going to kind of walk through it a little bit. First off, we're coming in from the back where you've got the ramp there for the toy hauler, and you can drive your toys in for the summer type, and it would be kind of cool. This folds down into a bed. And right above us here, this is a top bunk that would come down and give you bunk beds back here. So you would end up with like 2 full-size beds. It looks like something in that ballpark. But let's just kind of work your way in here. So we've got, of course, TV, radio in here, speakers and such. Windows for summer camping because you've got screens and things in the windows. I believe these were screens. It should be. No, they don't have them in right now. We've got a little fireplace in here. Of course, it's ice fishing, set for ice fishing. Some really nice captain's chairs so you can watch, you can fish, and you can watch what you're doing on the TV. Cooking, you've got your stove and such for your cooking and your heating. You've got your microwave up above, a little sink. You've got bathroom facilities right there, and you can come in and take a look at those because if you're anything like my youngest, they always like to go and check out every bathroom in every camper that we've ever gone into. But it's just really kind of a neat layout for those people who are kind of looking for something that could be used multi-season, where you can use it in the winter, of course, for fishing. You could use it to haul your side-by-side in your ATV, or you can use it for camping in the summer. It's just a lot of flexibility in some of these units today, and this one is from Core RV, and we'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out and a lot of their other units that are out there.